I want you to be able to write a linear equation from this graph. The good thing is we already know a linear equation template. We know this one right here. Y equals mx plus b. In order to write an equation of y equals mx plus b form, you need two things. What are they? What do you need?
Slope and y-intercept.
You need the slope and you need the y-intercept. Specifically, you need to find the m and you need to find the b for the line graph below. The good thing is, one of those is very easy to find. Which one of those is very easy to find, Jason? Which one of those is very easy to find? The m or the b? The b. What is the b? The b is the y-intercept. So looking at this, what's the y-intercept? 8. So the y-intercept is 8. Specifically, it's the coordinate pair. What's the coordinate pair? 0, 8. And the reason it's so helpful to do this first is because to find the slope, I need how many coordinate pairs?
2.
2. By finding the y-intercept, I already have one of them. So 0, 8. I want to use that one. I like anything with 0. And then I have to look somewhere along this line, and I have to find another good coordinate pair. Anybody have a good coordinate pair looking at their paper? What do you got, Maria? 6, 6. Yep, see right there? 2 intersecting lines. That's a good point. So 6, let's actually write it over here. Nope, you go back. I'm going to write you over here. 6, 6. All right, and we're trying to find the slope. By now, we should all know how to use this one. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Roman numeral mode. Looking at this, I have 2 coordinate pairs. Just in case we forgot this over a little time off there. Which one of these 4 numbers here is my y2?
Y2 is 6.
Could be, but remember, we have 2 y values here. What are your 2 y values? 8 and 6. And although either one of these could be y2, it doesn't really matter which one you make y2. It's easier if you make the larger one y2. The reason for that is so that for the numerator, you will always have what type of number?
Smaller number.
Somebody said it. You'll always have what type of number?
Positive.
You'll always have a positive. I always make this the y2 when I subtract the y1. Won't I always end up with a positive numerator? Yes. So there's a reason behind the madness. y2, then what's this?
X2.
And what's this?
X1.
Okay, so once we organize that, by now most of us know how to do that, we can go in and we can substitute that into our formula. Julio Dominguez. Julio, tell me, what am I writing? I'm taking those, going to the formula. What am I writing?
8 minus 6 and 6 minus 0.
8 minus 6, and then
6 minus 0.
And then
0 minus 6.
0 minus 6. You've got to be careful with that. Remember, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. We like to subtract smaller numbers from bigger numbers because it gives us all positive numbers. Fortunately, that's not always the case. Here we're going to end up with 2 over negative 6. Can you simplify that?
Negative 6.
No, that would be negative 6 over 2. The larger number here is the denominator. I can simplify this to a smaller fraction, but this will never be an integer. So I can simplify this. You know how? Okay, so we got to find something called the greatest common factor of 2 and 6. Now the good thing is 2 only has 2 factors. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So what's the greatest common factor?
3.
Tell me the factors of 2 again.
2. 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Tell me the factors of 6.
1, 2, 3, and 6.
Okay, so the greatest common factor is the largest number they have in common. So what's the largest number they have in common? 2. 2. So the greatest common factor is 2, which means I can divide both of these by 2 to reduce this fraction. This is going to become 1 over negative 3, which we could just write as negative 1/3. Make sense? Okay, so now that we found the slope, we have the y-intercept. We're going to go and we're going to put those here. Slope, negative 1/3. Y-intercept we found in the beginning was 8. And I can write an equation for this. Adrian, what's my equation?
Y equals 8x plus.
Hold on. Remember, it's y equals mx plus b. M. What's your m here?
1/3.
Negative 1/3. So try the equation one more time.
Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 8.
y equals negative 1/3 x plus, figure, forgot the x. Y equals negative 1/3 x plus 8. Y-intercept, the slope, you put it together, you write an equation. The good thing is we've done most of this before because the way that I show you guys module 4, we work a little ahead. So when we get to module 5, we can slow it down a little bit. And we allow anyone else who still has any questions on any of this to catch up with the rest of the class. Questions on the first one? We're going to try one more. No? Okay.